Feeling frustrated with trades that just don't seem to pan out? Don't give up hope just yet. Many traders have faced the same challenges, but I might just have the game changer you need to turn things around. I've developed a one-of-a-kind trading strategy that's adaptable to any time frame. To prove its worth, we'll put it to the test with 100 trades on the 3-minute Bitcoin chart on TradingView. First things first, let's add the corrected QWMA indicator to our chart. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the process of fine-tuning it for maximum accuracy. Just follow along as I adjust its settings. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Alright, so we've got this nifty corrected QWMA indicator with its colorful line and signals. But hold your horses. Before we start trading, we need to add another indicator to the mix to make sure we're not blindly following signals that go against the market momentum. So, to make sure we're not falling for misleading signals, let's add a touch of magic to our strategy with the Flying Dragon Trend Indicator. This indicator will help us enhance our strategy and filter out the noise. Once you've added it to the chart, let's give it a little tweak by adjusting its settings. Just follow along and let's make this indicator work its magic. This indicator plays a significant role in identifying trends and boosting the profitability of our strategy. That is, if the indicator's cloud is green, it signifies an upward momentum in the market. Conversely, if the cloud is red, it indicates a downward momentum. However, an important point about this indicator is its ability to identify times when the market trend is unclear. During these times, the lines and cloud of the indicator become faint and thin. In such situations, it's best not to trade due to the lack of directional strength in the price movement. Now that our two trusty indicators are all set up, it's time to embark on our trading adventure. But before we dive in, let's backtest it. We put our trading strategy to the test over 6 weeks, executing 100 trades on the Bitcoin chart using a 3-minute time frame. The results were beyond impressive. The strategy delivered a whopping 83% success rate, raking in a massive 185% gain. So get ready to learn the trading rules and dive into the world of trading with confidence. When it comes to a sell trade, we're keeping our eyes peeled for a sell signal from the refined QWMA indicator. To confirm the signal, we turn our attention to the Flying Dragon Trend Indicator. This indicator should display a red cloud on the chart, assuring us that the trend is indeed heading downwards. Once these conditions are met, you're ready to dive into the trade. Place your stop loss just a tad above the line of the refined QWMA indicator. Then aim for a target that's 1.5 times the risk you're taking on. And when considering a buy trade, we are on the hunt for a buy signal from our QWMA indicator. To double-check the signal, we consult the Flying Dragon Trend Indicator. This indicator should present a green cloud on the chart, confirming that the trend is on an upward trajectory. Once these conditions are checked off, you're prepared to jump into the trade. Position your stop loss just slightly above the line of the QWMA indicator. Next, set your target to be 1.5 times the risk you're willing to take. But if you're searching for a method that, as a beginner, will allow you to reap the maximum possible profit from trading and earn income, then you absolutely shouldn't miss out on this suggested video.